Have you ever wondered how your data is stored in the cloud? Welcome to the fascinating world of cloud storage, an integral part of our modern digital life. Imagine having a virtual space where you can store, access, and manage your files from anywhere, anytime. That's what cloud storage does for you. Besides convenience, it offers scalability and cost-effectiveness, making it a popular choice for individuals and businesses alike. Now you may ask, how does this cloud storage actually work? Let's dive in. So, how does your data end up in the cloud? It's quite simple, really. Let's break it down. When you decide to store a file in the cloud, be it a photo, document, or any other form of data, you're essentially sending it over the internet to a data center. Here's where the magic happens. These data centers are packed with servers, and it's on these servers that your data finds its new home. Now you might be wondering, how secure is this process? Well, as your data makes its way to the cloud, it's cloaked in layers of encryption. Think of it as a secret code, keeping your data safe from prying eyes as it travels through the vast expanse of the internet. But the journey doesn't end there. Once your data is in the cloud, it needs to be managed and protected. Let's see how that happens. Your data is now in the cloud, but how does it stay safe and accessible? Well, let's dive in and find out. Data management in the cloud is a delicate balancing act of storing your information safely while still making it easily accessible to you. One of the key ways this is achieved is through redundancy. Redundancy is a fancy way of saying we've got backups for the backups. Your data isn't just stored in one place, it's duplicated across multiple servers, sometimes even in different geographic locations. This way, if one server fails, your data isn't lost, it's simply retrieved from another server. But what about data protection? Well, your data isn't just floating around for anyone to grab, it's heavily guarded. Think of it like a bank vault. Your data is encrypted, meaning it's turned into a complex code that only you, with your unique key, can decipher. Now how about accessibility? The beauty of the cloud is that it's not bound by physical limitations. You can access your data from anywhere at any time as long as you have an internet connection. It's like having a personal filing cabinet that you can reach into from anywhere in the world. Now that we've covered how your data is stored, managed, and protected in the cloud, let's summarize. Cloud storage might seem complicated, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Let's take a quick jog down memory lane. We've learned that cloud storage is all about storing data on remote servers instead of your local hard drive. The process starts with uploading the data, followed by encryption for security purposes. The encrypted data then gets distributed across multiple servers to ensure its safety and accessibility. The beauty of cloud storage lies in its data management capabilities. You can access, modify, or share your data anytime, anywhere. Plus, you don't have to worry about data loss thanks to the cloud's robust backup and recovery systems. Cloud storage is not only convenient but also cost-effective. No need for expensive hardware or maintenance costs. And let's not forget the environmental benefits with less energy consumption and electronic waste. So, there you have it. A simple guide to how your data is stored in the cloud. Click at Venki The Techie on the screen and subscribe, please.